In a pivotal week for NASA, the agency is set to embark on a remarkable journey as it prepares for the launch of its SpaceX Crew-10 mission, marking the 10th crewed mission to the International Space Station (ISS) as part of the Commercial Crew program. Scheduled for liftoff on March 12, 2025 at 7:48 p.m. Eastern Time from Kennedy Space Center's Launch Complex 39A, this mission not only underscores NASA's ongoing partnership with SpaceX but also highlights the agency's commitment to advancing human space exploration. The Crew-10 mission will carry a diverse team of astronauts including Anne McClain and Nichole Ayers from NASA, Kirill Peskov from Roscosmos, and Takuya Onishi from JAXA. This international crew will contribute to vital research and experiments aboard the ISS, furthering our understanding of life in space and the effects of microgravity on human health. As NASA continues to expand its reach into the cosmos, the launch provides a thrilling opportunity for spectators to witness the event in person, with special viewing arrangements available from the Apollo/Saturn V Center. While the excitement builds for this launch, NASA's initiatives extend beyond the immediate horizon. The agency has also announced the selection of 3 university teams as part of its University Leadership Initiative (ULI) aimed at addressing 21st-century aviation challenges. Teams from the Florida Institute of Technology, University of Colorado Boulder, and Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University will embark on research projects focused on developing safer, more efficient flight operations and enhancing autonomous flight capabilities. Kaushik Dutta, NASA's University Innovation Project Manager, noted that this collaboration combines faculty expertise, student innovation, and industry experience to advance the future of aviation and foster the next generation of aerospace leaders. However, not all news from NASA is optimistic. In a move that has raised concerns among the scientific community, approximately 19 positions, including the chief scientist role held by Catherine Calvin, are being eliminated as part of an administrative effort to streamline operations. Critics, including Representative Zoe Lofgren, have described these cuts as short-sighted, warning that they could undermine critical scientific missions at NASA and reflect a broader shift towards prioritizing human spaceflight over scientific research. This restructuring comes amid a backdrop of potential budget cuts to NASA's science initiatives, striking at the heart of the agency's long-term goals. Amidst these organizational changes, NASA's ambitious SPHEREx mission is also set to launch soon, aimed at mapping 450 million galaxies and providing unprecedented insights into the origins of the universe. With its sophisticated infrared instruments, SPHEREx will explore the cosmos, seeking answers to fundamental questions about galaxy formation, cosmic inflation, and the potential for life elsewhere in the universe. Principal investigator Jamie Bach emphasized the significance of this mission, stating that it could unlock answers about galaxy formation and investigate the origin of water and other organic materials. As NASA navigates this complex landscape of exploration, research, and organizational change, the agency remains poised to make significant contributions to our understanding of space and aviation in the years to come. The Crew-10 launch is just one of many milestones as NASA continues to chart its course through the cosmos, reinforcing its pivotal role in both human and scientific endeavors. As developments unfold, the global community eagerly anticipates the discoveries that lie ahead, hopeful that they will deepen our understanding of the universe and our place within it. In a significant advancement for space exploration, NASA and SpaceX are preparing for the launch of Crew-10, scheduled for March 12, 2025. At 7:48 p.m. Eastern Time. This mission marks the 10th crewed endeavor under NASA's Commercial Crew program, aimed at facilitating transportation to and from the International Space Station (ISS). The launch will take place from the historic Launch Complex 39A at the Kennedy Space Center in Florida, a site synonymous with groundbreaking space missions. The Crew-10 mission will see 4 astronauts embark on a journey to the ISS: NASA's Anne McClain and Nichole Ayers, Russian cosmonaut Kirill Peskov from Roscosmos, and Takuya Onishi from the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency (JAXA). As they prepare for their mission, the astronauts will engage in a variety of scientific experiments and research projects that are vital to our understanding of space and its effects on the human body. The mission's focus will extend beyond just transportation. It will also include critical research that could pave the way for future deep space explorations. including potential missions to Mars. For instance, McClain will participate in the complement of Integrated Protocols for Human Exploration Research SPHEREx, a study examining physiological and psychological changes experienced in microgravity. Such insights are crucial for preparing astronauts for long-duration missions beyond low Earth orbit. Additionally, Expedition 73, which will commence with the Crew-10 launch, will further investigate how microgravity affects various human functions. Astronauts will participate in studies like Drain Brain 2.0, which aims to understand blood flow dynamics from the brain to the heart in a microgravity environment. This research not only has implications for space travel but could also offer insights into cardiovascular health on Earth. As part of their preparations, the crew will also engage in educational outreach through the ISS Han radio program, which connects astronauts with students worldwide. This interaction not only inspires the next generation of scientists and engineers but also doubles as a testbed for software that could enhance lunar navigation capabilities, essential knowledge as humanity eyes a return to the Moon under the Artemis program. The significance of the Crew-10 mission is amplified by the ongoing developments in space tools and technologies. Innovations such as the multi-purpose precision maintenance tool designed to perform multiple tasks without the need for a bulky toolkit exemplify the evolution of space tools that facilitate the astronauts' work in the challenging environment of the ISS. Moreover, advancements in fire safety research such as the material ignition and suppression tests SPHEREx are critical to ensuring astronaut safety and enhancing materials used in space missions. As NASA and SpaceX gear up for this historic launch, the implications of Crew-10 extend far beyond the immediate mission. The research conducted during this expedition is set to contribute to a deeper understanding of human resilience in space, aiding future explorations not only to the Moon but also to Mars and beyond. With the continuous advancement of technology and collaborative efforts among international space agencies, the future of space exploration looks promising, heralding a new era of discovery and innovation. NASA is set to embark on a significant scientific mission aboard the International Space Station ISS as part of Expedition 73, which will include groundbreaking research aimed at enhancing our understanding of human physiology and microgravity, advancing fire safety protocols, and improving lunar navigation technologies. This mission, featuring NASA astronauts Nichole Ayers and Anne McClain alongside JAXA astronaut Takuya Onishi and Roscosmos cosmonaut Kirill Peskov, is slated to launch in March as part of the SpaceX Crew-10 mission. Following this, NASA astronaut Johnny Kim will join the crew aboard the Roscosmos Soyuz MS-27 spacecraft in April. One of the primary focuses of Expedition 73 will be human research. Astronauts often serve as subjects for various physiological studies, contributing blood and other samples to help researchers investigate the impacts of long-duration spaceflight on the human body. McClain will participate in NASA's complement of Integrated Protocols for Human Exploration Research SPHEREx, a comprehensive suite of studies designed to explore the physiological and psychological adaptations astronauts undergo while in space. The findings from these investigations could be crucial for future deep space missions, providing insights into how to sustain human life over extended periods beyond Earth. In addition to human research, the astronauts will also engage with students worldwide through the ISS Han radio program, which will serve a dual purpose. Not only will it facilitate educational outreach, but it will also allow researchers to test software for the navigation and communication testbed NAVCOM. This initiative aims to bridge Earth-based navigation technologies with solutions specifically tailored for lunar exploration, an essential step as NASA prepares for its upcoming Artemis missions aimed at returning humans to the Moon. Safety in space is another critical area of focus for Expedition 73. The crew is scheduled to conduct a material ignition and suppression test SPHEREx, which will assess the flammability of various materials in microgravity. This research is vital for improving fire safety protocols on future missions, helping to inform the selection of materials for spacecraft and space habitats, as well as developing effective fire suppression strategies in an environment where traditional methods may not apply. Moreover, Expedition 73 will examine cardiovascular health through a study known as Drain Brain 2.0. This research aims to understand how blood flow dynamics change in microgravity using a plethysmograph to record blood drainage from the skull. The insights gained could not only benefit astronauts but also have implications for understanding and treating cardiovascular issues on Earth. The ISS continues to serve as a vital platform for scientific discovery with over 24 years of continuous human presence, allowing researchers to explore phenomena that cannot be replicated on Earth. As NASA prepares for future explorations to the Moon and eventually Mars, the ISS remains an essential stepping stone in developing a robust low-Earth economy and advancing human space exploration capabilities. As Expedition 73 unfolds, it will undoubtedly contribute to the body of knowledge that supports future endeavors in space exploration. With ongoing research and technological advancements, NASA and its partners are poised to enhance our understanding of life in space and ensure the safety and well-being of astronauts on their journeys into the final frontier. The outcomes of this mission may very well shape the future of human exploration beyond our planet, making the work conducted aboard the ISS more crucial than ever. In a significant stride towards innovation in aviation, NASA has announced the selection of 3 university teams to participate in its University Leadership Initiative (ULI). This program aims to tackle the complex challenges of 21st-century aviation, focusing on enhancing safety, efficiency, and the advancement of autonomous flight systems. The announcement made on March 11, 2025 sets the stage for a collaborative effort that combines academic research with practical applications in the aerospace industry. The selected teams hail from the Florida Institute of Technology, the University of Colorado Boulder, and Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University. Each of these institutions will lead a unique project over the next 3 years, supported by a total funding of up to $20.7 million. This funding underscores NASA's commitment to fostering innovation through partnerships with educational institutions and industry leaders. Kaushik Dutta, project manager at NASA's Ames Research Center, emphasized the importance of this initiative, stating, "By combining faculty expertise, student innovation, and industry experience, these 3 teams will advance NASA's vision for the future of 21st-century aviation." The research topics for this round of selections reflect a diverse range of priorities, including the development of new aviation systems for safer flight operations, improved communication technologies, and enhanced autonomous capabilities. The Florida Institute of Technology will focus on creating frameworks for developing reliable autonomous aviation safety systems, potentially integrating artificial intelligence and machine learning components. This collaborative effort will involve several partner institutions, including Stanford University and North Carolina Agricultural and Technical State University, alongside industry players like Collins Aerospace. Meanwhile, the University of Colorado Boulder will explore the complexities of communication within autonomous airspace systems. Their project includes a wide array of collaborators, from Massachusetts Institute of Technology to Aurora Flight Sciences, and aims to leverage advanced communication tools to improve the reliability of information transfer in busy airspaces. Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University is set to investigate the continuous monitoring of vehicle health management systems for advanced air mobility vehicles. This initiative will include partnerships with prestigious institutions such as Georgia Institute of Technology and companies like Collins Aerospace. By focusing on developing self-diagnostic capabilities, this team aims to enhance the safety and reliability of future air mobility solutions. As NASA continues to lead the charge in aerospace innovation, the ULI program stands as a testament to its strategy of integrating academic research with industry needs. The initiative not only prepares students for future careers in aviation but also positions the agency to remain at the forefront of technological advancements that could redefine air travel in the coming decades. Looking ahead, the agency will soon announce opportunities for additional proposals as it continues to nurture the next generation of aerospace leaders. With ongoing projects and the potential for future collaborations, the trajectory of NASA's research initiatives promises to yield transformative outcomes for aviation and beyond. In a groundbreaking moment for space exploration, NASA's Mars Sample Return (MSR) mission is poised to bring pieces of the red planet back to Earth, igniting excitement and anticipation across the scientific community and beyond. This ambitious endeavor aims not only to bridge significant gaps in our understanding of Mars but also to propel humanity into a new era of exploration that could potentially unlock the mysteries of our universe. As the United States, a leader in space exploration, strives to maintain its pioneering spirit, there is a growing urgency to execute the MSR mission more efficiently and cost-effectively than current proposals suggest. Rocket Lab, a key player in the aerospace sector, has expressed a strong commitment to the success of the MSR mission. As outlined by its founder Sir Peter Beck, Rocket Lab's focus on planetary science is a driving force behind their innovative approaches to challenging space problems. Planetary science is in the DNA of Rocket Lab, Beck stated, emphasizing the company's history of interplanetary missions, including recent collaborations with NASA to deliver spacecraft destined for Mars. The firm believes that enhancing access to space can significantly improve life on Earth, a philosophy that underpins its proposals for the MSR mission. Historically, the pursuit of Martian samples has been a goal dating back to the 1970s, yet escalating costs and delays have kept this dream tantalizingly out of reach. NASA's recent acknowledgement of a budget that ballooned to an estimated $11 billion and a timeline pushing sample returns to 2040 has prompted an independent review of the mission architecture. In December, findings revealed a need for additional funding and time to explore alternative strategies, leading to two proposed options: a NASA-led approach utilizing heritage technology or a partnership with commercial entities that could incur higher costs and longer lead times. These developments have sparked debate about the best path forward, with advocates urging NASA to capitalize on the ingenuity of the private sector. Rocket Lab has proposed a mission architecture that promises to deliver all 30 Martian samples collected by NASA's Perseverance rover by 2031 for under $4 billion, significantly less than current estimates. This proposed architecture includes 3 launches: a Mars telecommunications orbiter, a sample return lander, and an Earth return orbiter, all designed to ensure cost control and timely performance. Rocket Lab's unique advantages as a vertically integrated prime contractor allow for streamlined operations and innovative solutions. Their plan employs commercial launch options that avoid complex in-space refueling and crewed operations. It utilizes a storable chemical propulsion system based on proven technologies and simplifies robotics for efficient sample transfer from the Perseverance rover to the Mars ascent vehicle. As the MSR mission progresses, findings from ongoing Mars exploration may further illuminate the planet's potential for life. Recent research suggests that liquid water may exist beneath Mars' surface, which has implications for microbial life. This was highlighted by data from NASA's InSight lander, which detected seismic activity that could indicate water-filled cracks in the Martian crust. If liquid water exists on Mars, it could mean the presence of microbial activity, noted Ikuo Katayama, a planetary scientist involved in the research. Such discoveries only heighten the stakes for the MSR mission, as the analysis of Martian samples could offer crucial evidence about the planet's past and its potential to harbor life. As NASA works to refine its strategies for the MSR mission, the importance of collaboration with the private sector becomes increasingly clear. By leveraging commercial capabilities, NASA can maximize the value of taxpayer investments and accelerate its timeline for returning Martian samples. The MSR mission, while a monumental goal in its own right, also serves as a critical stepping stone towards sending humans to Mars, making it imperative for all stakeholders to act decisively and innovatively. As we look to the future, the potential implications of the Mars Sample Return mission extend far beyond the scientific community. The advancements made through this endeavor will likely influence a new generation of explorers and innovators, drive economic growth, and inspire humanity's next great leap into the cosmos. With bold leadership and a commitment to harnessing the best of both public and private resources, the dream of bringing Mars to Earth may soon become a reality, marking a new chapter in the saga of space exploration. As the celestial dance between the Earth, Moon, and Sun prepares to unfold again, skywatchers are eagerly anticipating the upcoming total lunar eclipse. Scheduled for the night of March 13 into the early hours of March 14, 2025, this event marks the first opportunity for observers to witness a total lunar eclipse in 3 years, with the last occurrence having taken place on November 8, 2022. A total lunar eclipse occurs when the Earth is positioned directly between the Sun and the Moon, causing the Earth to cast its shadow on the lunar surface. This astronomical alignment leads to a stunning visual phenomenon often referred to as a blood moon due to the reddish hue the moon takes on during the eclipse. As NASA explains, this color is the result of sunlight scattering through Earth's atmosphere, with only the longer wavelengths of light, primarily red, reaching the moon, creating a captivating spectacle. The March 2025 eclipse will be particularly notable, as it will be visible across North America, South America, Western Europe, and parts of Africa. For those in the United States, the eclipse will begin around 11:57 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on March 13, reaching totality at approximately 2:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on March 14, before concluding around 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. During totality, the moon will be fully engulfed in the Earth's shadow, allowing viewers to enjoy the breathtaking sight of the moon glowing in shades of red for around 65 minutes. The significance of this event is underscored by its rarity. Not only has it been nearly 3 years since the last total lunar eclipse, but another won't be visible in the US until March 2026. In fact, the next occurrence of a total lunar eclipse on an election day will not happen again for 372 years on November 8, 2394. This creates a unique opportunity for enthusiasts to engage with an event that combines natural beauty with cultural significance. For those planning to view the eclipse, it is advisable to find a dark location away from city lights for optimal visibility. While the eclipse can be seen with the naked eye, binoculars or a telescope may enhance the experience. As the moon passes through the Earth's shadow, observers might also enjoy the sight of stars appearing beside the moon, particularly as it exits the umbra. In addition to the visual spectacle, the upcoming total lunar eclipse has cultural ties. March's full moon is traditionally known as the worm moon, reflecting the time of year when earthworms begin to emerge from the thawing ground, signaling the approach of spring. This name has historical roots in Native American traditions, with various tribes attributing different meanings to this celestial event. As excitement builds in anticipation of this astronomical event, the total lunar eclipse serves as a reminder of the interconnectedness of the cosmos. Whether for scientific interest, cultural heritage, or sheer enjoyment of the natural world, the March 2025 total lunar eclipse promises to be a memorable experience for all who take the time to look up at the night sky. As we look forward, the wonder of celestial events continues to inspire curiosity, reminding us of the beauty that exists beyond our planet.